Hey guys, this is Dave from SuperComp and thanks for joining us. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install our poly windows on our Pro R, Pro S, and Pro XP series. Use the provided J-bracket, bolt, washer, and nut to secure the bottom of the windshield to the frame on each side of the UTV with the 5/32 Allen wrench and 7/16 wrench and ratchet. Tighten the nut on the inside of the windshield until the windshield frame contacts the roll cage and the bolt extends into the nylon of the lock nut